To fix this problem that happens when the boot mode is not working, I come here to click OK. Then the system goes off. Next, I press the power button to turn on the device, and immediately, very immediately, I press F10 key. When this comes up, I use my mouse to select Advanced. But if your mouse or your mouse pad is not working, then you may need to use the arrow keys. Use the right arrow keys to select through until you get to Advanced. And under Advanced, I need to go to Boot Options. I can select Boot Options with my mouse, but if your mouse is not working, then you may need to use the up and down arrows to select through. Then when you get there, you press the Enter key. Boot Options. And under Boot Options, the next thing is to go down, keep going down with the arrow keys, or you use your mouse wheel if you have your mouse working, through until you get to boot mode. I can select boot mode with my mouse now, but if your mouse is not working, keep going until you get there. Then you press the Enter key to select it. And on boot mode, we need to go to Legacy. I can use my mouse to do that, but if your mouse is not working, use the up and down arrows to do that, and press Enter key to select Legacy. And on the Legacy now, you need to click Accept. You may use your arrows keys as well and use the Enter key to select when you get to Accept. And for me to be double sure, just to be double sure, I click Legacy again, Accept. And this time I need to go down here to select Save. You may use your arrow keys as well to get there. Then to save changes, I give it a yes. And lastly, with the mouse pad, drag down here to select Exit. If your mouse pad is not working, use the arrows and the Enter key to do that. Exit. And before you exit, save changes, give it a yes. Don't forget to like this video and share the link. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here to see my other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.